Today's topic is Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, and also said to be Besper theory, जिसको हम Besper theory भी कहते हैं बेटा. Students, it was Sizek and Powell. In 1940, they proposed a simple theory, and this theory was based on repulsive interactions of the electron pairs in the valence shell of the atoms. And this theory was proposed just to determine the shapes of the molecule. कि shapes of the molecule को हम कैसे determine कर सकते हैं बेटा. So later on, it was further developed and redefined by Naum and Gillespie in 1957. Students, they suggested, क्या suggest किया इन्होंने बेटा, that जो shapes है molecules की उनको हम determine कर सकते हैं by the number of electron pairs in the valence shell of the central atom. कि आपके central atom के valence shell में कितने electron pairs हैं, उससे हम क्या determine कर सकते हैं बेटा, shapes of the molecule. And they proposed a theory, and that theory is known as valence shell electron pair repulsion. कि आपके central atom के around कितने valence shell electron pairs हैं बेटा, they will determine the shape of the molecule. Students, the basic idea of this theory is that जो bonded atoms हैं बेटा molecules में, they have definite arrangement of atoms or group of atoms in space around the central atom. That's why they are giving you the geometry of the molecule. जो उनकी orientations हैं atom या group of atoms in the three-dimensional space बेटा around the central atom, they are deciding the geometry, means shapes of the molecules. Next, postulates of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Students, let's discuss the main postulates of Besper theory, which are as follows beta. The first postulate is the shape of the molecule depends upon the number of the valence shell electron pairs around the central atom. चाहे ये bonded है, चाहे ये non bonded है. मीन्स बेटा जो शेप है मॉलिक्यूल की वो डिपेंड करेगी नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स अराउंड द सेंट्रल एटम. चाहे वो बॉन्डेड पेयर्स हैं बेटा, चाहे वो नॉन बॉन्डेड पेयर्स हैं. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ मीथेन एंड वाटर जस्ट टू डिस्कस द बॉन्डेड एंड नॉन बॉन्डेड पेयर्स बेटा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द सेंट्रल एटम दैट इज कार्बन ऑफ दिस मीथेन having 4 electrons in its valence shell. This is the central atom of water having 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. So carbon is having 4 valence shell electrons, oxygen is having your 6 valence shell electrons beta. Now these 4 valence shell electrons of this carbon will be shared by surrounding atoms of this methane beta, that is hydrogen, and hydrogen is having your 1 electron in its valence shell beta, that is there. चलिए पहले 4 कार्बन के लिख दें बेटा, देन हाइड्रोजन बेटा, एंड इसका जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है बेटा दैट आई एम राइटिंग इन ऑरेंज कलर बेटा, जैसे दिस इज देयर. सो हियर दिस पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म अ बॉन्ड, दैट्स व्हाई दिस पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कॉल्ड bonded pair या bond pair of the electron beta. This is a bond pair of the electron. So there are other bond pair of the electrons are also. This is another bond pair of the electron. This is another bond pair of the electrons. This is another bond pair of the electron. So beta, when this methane is getting formed over here by the sharing of the electrons between the carbon and hydrogen, there are the 4 bond pair of the electrons here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. एंड नो लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज देयर। लोन पेयर कोई भी नहीं है, मीन्स दैट इज अ लोन पेयर। क्या हुआ बेटा? नॉन बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर। नाउ नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द सेंट्रल एटम ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज ऑक्सीजन बेटा, हैविंग 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन इट्स वैलेंस शेल। कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? 6। नाउ देयर आर द 2 other hydrogen atoms which are surrounding atoms of this water beta. So here this hydrogen and oxygen will share 1 electron each. हाइड्रोजन के आउटरमोस्ट शेल में कितने, बैलेंस शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन बेटा? 1. तो that will form this bond pair of the electron. Now this is also going to form the another bond pair of the electron. But here only 2 electrons of oxygen are shared by the 2 hydrogen atoms and they are going to form the bond pair of the electrons. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा कि सारे के सारे बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और सेंट्रल एटम में दे आर नॉट फॉर्मिंग द बॉन्ड, दे आर नॉट फॉर्मिंग द बॉन्ड. सो दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लेफ्ट इन द बैलेंस शेल without forming the bond beta, so they exist as the lone pair of the electrons. इनको क्या कहेंगे हम? lone pair of the electrons. So beta, in the formation of water here there are 2 bond pair of the electrons and 2 lone pair of the electrons, and these lone pair of the electrons are not participating in bond formation. So beta, let me write here now bond pair of the electron. Now these are the bond pair of the electrons. Now similarly here bond pair of the electrons are there, and here are the lone pair of the electrons beta. So next second postulate is that electron pairs in the valence shell repel one another since their electron clouds are negatively charged. Now these are the bond pair of the electrons, you know beta. So these are just the electron clouds. Since they are negatively charged beta, so they will repel each other. Similarly here beta, these are the electron pairs, lone pair as well as bond pair of the electrons. These are the electron clouds which are negatively charged beta. Since they are having your same charges beta, that's why they will repel each other. Next beta, ये जो आपके pair of the electrons हैं, they will tend to occupy such a position in the space that minimize repulsion and thus maximize the distance between them. मतलब एक दूसरे से मैक्सिमम दूर जाने की कोशिश करेंगे ये बेटा, ताकि उनके बीच में क्या हो? रिपल्शंस मिनिमम हो, so that it can give a stable molecule. Now this can be clear from the examples of water and methane here. See here the angular distance between this HOH, that is 104.5 degrees beta. So more the angular distance here between these bond pair of the electron, more is the क्या? स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. क्यों? बिकॉज रिपल्शन जो होंगी इन बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच में क्या होगी? मिनिमम होगी. सिमिलरली हियर इन केस ऑफ योर बेटा मीथेन, द एंगुलर डिस्टेंस हियर बिटवीन दीज टू बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 109 degrees 28 minutes. That's why the more the distance between these two bond pair of the electrons beta, less is the repulsions beta between these bond pair of the electrons, more is the stability of the molecule. So we can say here the pair of the electrons tend to occupy such a position in the space that minimize repulsion and thus maximize distance between them. Hope students this is clear. Next students, the valence shell जो है बेटा, that is taken as a sphere with the electron pairs localizing on the spherical surface and which is at maximum distance from one another, जो कि आपके क्या है? मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस अवे हैं एक दूसरे से बेटा. और जो आपका मल्टीपल बॉन्ड है बेटा, दैट इज ट्रीटेड इफ इट इज अ सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर. मल्टीपल बॉन्ड को हम ऐसे ट्रीट करते हैं कि जैसे वो क्या है? एक सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, और 2 और 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स को मल्टीपल बॉन्ड के उनको हम ट्रीट करते हैं एज अ सिंगल सुपर पेयर बेटा. जब आपके क्या हैं? 2 और 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स हैं मल्टीपल बॉन्ड के बेटा, तो उसको हम क्या मान के चलेंगे? सिंगल सुपर पेयर. और बेटा जो रिपल्शंस हैं बिटवीन द लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बेटा, दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द lone pair and bond pair repulsion, and then bond pair repulsions. They are all different. और जो आपकी repulsive interaction है that decreases in this order बेटा. So here lone pair repulsions, they are more as compared to that of your lone pair bond pair repulsions बेटा, and bond pair repulsion is minimum. So इसको बेटा आप memorize कर सकते हैं LLB से. LLB means lone pair, then lone pair, then bond pair. Again I'm repeating lone pair बेटा, दो LL हैं, lone pair, then एक L then B, lone pair bond pair बेटा, and then bond pair repulsions are minimum बेटा. So hope this is clear बेटा. Then next बेटा, जो presence of lone pair of the electrons हैं बेटा, in addition to the bond pair, that result in certain distortion in the regular geometry. Means बेटा जब आपके molecule में सिर्फ bond pair of electrons ही हैं, तो उनकी क्या रहेगी, एक रेगुलर ज्योमेट्री रहेगी उस मॉलिक्यूल की. लेकिन अगर एक बॉन्ड पेयर की जगह क्या है, एक लोन पेयर है, देन इट विल हैव डिस्टॉर्टेड ज्योमेट्री बेटा, जिसके हम अभी एग्जांपल करेंगे बेटा. नेक्स्ट बेटा, ये जो रिपल्सिव फोर्सेस हैं दे डिक्रीजेस शार्पली विद इंक्रीजिंग एंगल बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर. क्यों? क्योंकि एंगुलर डिस्टेंस बॉन्ड्स के बीच में बढ़ रहा है बेटा, तो आपकी जो रिपल्सिव फोर्सेस वो क्या होंगी, वो कम होंगी. सो repulsive forces decreases sharply with increasing angle between the electron pairs. और बेटा यहाँ एक चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि आपका जो लोन पेयर रिपल्शन है दे आर ग्रेटर. एक्चुअली बेटा जो आपके ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं बेटा ऑफ द बॉन्डेड इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, जो बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं जिन ऑर्बिटल्स में, क्लियर, बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं जिन ऑर्बिटल्स में, दे आर अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ योर टू न्यूक्लियर बेटा. जबकि आपका लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है दैट इज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ योर द लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ वन न्यूक्लियर. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज शेप्स ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बेस्पर थ्योरी. बच्चों, बेस्पर थ्योरी की हेल्प से हम किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल की जो है शेप को या ज्योमेट्री को बेटा डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. और जो बेस्पर थ्योरी है बेटा दैट टेक्स इनटू अकाउंट द नंबर ऑफ बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ द सेंट्रल एटम टू डिटरमाइन द ज्योमेट्री ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. और ये बैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बॉन्डेड भी हो सकते हैं, नॉन बॉन्डेड भी हो सकते हैं. और जब बेटा सिर्फ बॉन्डेड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही हैं या बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही हैं तो आपकी एक रेगुलर ज्योमेट्री होगी. इज दैट क्लियर? और अगर लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो आपके क्या होगा, डिस्टॉर्टेड ज्योमेट्री होगी बेटा उस मॉलिक्यूल की. So we will explain one by one. So first of all, let's take the example of your bond pair of the electron. So how the geometry depends upon the bond pair of the electron. Let's see. So बेटा ये तो मैंने पहले कह दिया बेटा कि जो ज्योमेट्री है मॉलिक्यूल की that depends upon the number of electron pairs around the central atom. So let's say bond pair of the electron and then geometry. Let's say there are the two bond pair of the electron. सो बेटा ज्योमेट्री क्या होगी, आपकी शेप क्या होगी इसकी मॉलिक्यूल की, लीनियर. क्योंकि दो बॉन्ड पेयर जो हैं दे विल टेंड टू मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंट अपार्ट, और वो सबसे दूर तभी होंगे जब बेटा 180 डिग्री के एंगल पे रहेंगे दोनों बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एंड देन बेटा 3 बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं तो क्या होगा, ट्रायगोनल प्लेनर. देन 4 हैं तो बेटा टेट्राहेड्रल, 5 हैं तो ट्रायगोनल बाइपिरामिडल, 6 हैं तो ऑक्टाहेड्रल एंड 7 हैं तो पेंटागोनल बाइपिरामिडल. The shape of the molecules जो बेटा है that can be predicted by dividing the molecule into two categories. पहली कैटेगरी वो बेटा उन मॉलिक्यूल्स की बेटा जिनके सेंट्रल एटम में आपके कोई भी लोन पेयर नहीं है, सिर्फ बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही हैं. और दूसरा बेटा दूसरी कैटेगरी में हम मॉलिक्यूल्स को लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी हैं, इज दे क्लियर, विद द बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो बेटा ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स के स्ट्रक्चर हम अभी डिस्कस करेंगे जिनके सेंट्रल एटम में कोई भी लोन पेयर नहीं है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट केस ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स इन विच द सेंट्रल atom has no lone pair. So since let's take the first case, the molecules in which central atom has no lone pair. So here are the some examples in which the central atom they are not having any lone pair of the electrons beta. So let's take the first case of two bond pair of the electrons beta. Now here this A atom which is central atom here, this is having your, this one is the bond pair of the electron, this is also bond pair of the electron. Is they clear? Or they are having your linear geometry. Is they clear? And angle here is 180 degree. And example beta, beryllium chloride is there, mercuric chloride is there, then your beryllium fluoride is there, and then your beryllium hydride is there. These are certain examples of this type of your molecules beta. Let's take the example of your this beryllium fluoride. Here beryllium is the central atom and its atomic number is 4 and electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. So in the outermost shell it is having only 2 electrons. This is there, and this is there. Now fluorine, that is having your 7 electrons in its valence shell. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is another fluorine atom beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. So just see here, these are the 2 bond pair of the electrons which are shared by beryllium and fluorine. They will orient in the 3-dimensional space in such a way कि इनके बीच में जो repulsive forces हों वो क्या हो, मिनिमम हो. इनकी जो ज्योमेट्री रहेगी इस मॉलिक्यूल की, that will be linear. So here this beryllium is at the center and this is going to form of this bond with this fluorine atom and another bond with your this fluorine atom beta, and the bond angle here is 180 degree. Bond angle here is 180 degree and geometry is linear. Now let's take the next case in which the central atom have 3 bond pair of the electrons. So here beta, in this case this A is the central atom here and these are the bond pair of the electrons and they are directed towards the ends of regular trigon beta. So इनका जो structure रहेगा that is a trigonal planar beta, and example is boron trifluoride, then your boron hydride beta, BH3, then your BCl3 etc. Even AlCl3, that is the example of your this type of your molecules beta. So let's take the case of your BCl3 beta. BCl. Now here this B is the central atom and its atomic number is 5 beta. Boron का atomic number क्या रहता है बेटा, 5. So electron configuration 1s2, 2s2 and then your 2p. So there are 3 electrons in its valence shell beta. 3 electrons are in the valence shell of your this boron. Now the other is your chlorine and this your chlorine atom, let's say this is having your, कोई दूसरा कलर लेते हैं बेटा इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then again chlorine beta, this is also having your 7 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then your again another chlorine is there, then again 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So students, just see here, this is one bond pair of the electron, this is another bond pair of the electron, and this is other bond pair of the electron. So there are 3 bond pairs of the electron beta. This boron here, that is at the center, and these 3 chlorine atom, they are directed towards the ends of regular trigon. So let's draw this trigon beta. This is a 1 chlorine atom over here. This is another chlorine atom over here. This is another chlorine atom. So these are the 3 bond pair of the electrons here, and each chlorine is having here 3 lone pair of the electrons like this. And beta, this is going to form your this trigonal planar structure. एक प्लेन में है सभी एटम्स ये, और they are going to form a trigonal planar structure, and the bond angle here, that is equal to your 120 degree. So this will be the geometry of this boron trichloride as well as your boron trifluoride beta. Sorry, trifluoride. Is that clear? And then your BH3 as well, and then your AlCl3 as well. Is that clear? So next case is of the molecule having 4 bond pair of the electron. Let's say this A is the central atom here, and these are the 4 bond pair of the electrons, and these 4 bond pair of the electrons are directed towards the ends of regular tetrahedron beta. And example of such type of molecule is CH4 and then your ammonia. So let's take the example of CH4 here beta. Here carbon is the central atom. Carbon का जो atomic number है that is 6, and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and then your 2p, So these are the 4 electrons in its valence shell beta. So let's say 1, 2, 3 and this is a 4. The 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to this one. So hydrogen is having a 1 electron in its valence shell beta. So this is the case of your hydrogen, let's say क्रॉस वाला, इसको कलर से ही रहने दिया होता बेटा. So this is a hydrogen's electron beta and this is a hydrogen electron. Now here just see beta, how many bond pair of the electrons are there? 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. These 4 bond pair of the electrons, or you can say these 4 bonds with which these hydrogen atoms are attached, will be directed towards the ends of your regular tetrahedron. Let's say this was a carbon over here. Let's say this is a 1 carbon here. Now this is the other carbon beta, another hydrogen. This carbon is attached to this hydrogen as well as to this hydrogen, and this is towards the observer, let's say beta, and this is here. So beta, these 4 hydrogen atoms, they are directed towards ends of this tetrahedron. Is they clear? So this way they are going to form a tetrahedral structure beta. This is a tetrahedron like this. And like this. And the bond angle here is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Next case is of the molecule having 5 bond pair of the electrons. Let's say here, this is a central atom here beta, A. So this is 1 bond pair, this is another bond pair, and this is other bond pair. So these 3 bond pairs, they are in a plane. So this is another bond pair, that is 4th one, that is above the plane, and this is below the plane beta. So that is going to form trigonal bipyramidal geometry beta. So example here is PCl5. PCl5. Here phosphorus is there. phosphorus का जो बेटा atomic number है, that is 15. So its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So that is having 5 electrons in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3, then it's a 4 and it's a 5. These are the 5 electrons in its valence shell. And these 5 chlorine atoms beta, they will share these 5 electrons of this phosphorus. So now see, there's a chlorine here having 1 electron, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is another chlorine beta, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means chlorine atom here, they are attaining the 8 electrons in its valence shell beta. So now here Cl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again beta another, this is a Cl here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there is another chlorine beta. So this is a 1 electron of this chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here if you see, there are the 5 bond pair of the electron. These 5 bond pair of the electrons, they will form this type of geometry, that is a trigonal bipyramidal. Now students, this phosphorus is at the center, chlorine here, another chlorine beta, then your another chlorine. Means these 3 chlorine atoms, they are in a plane and they are directed towards ends of trigon beta around the central atom, like this, and one chlorine here, that is above the plane. Let's say it is here, and other chlorine is below the plane. So since next case is molecules in which the central atom has one or more lone pair of the electrons. So since, let's take the first case, AB to E. Since AB to E, here A is the central atom over here, is that clear? And B are the two peripheral atoms beta, and they are your forming the bond pair of the electrons, and E is your this one lone pair beta here. Is that clear? So now example of your such type of molecule, that is your SO2 beta. Is that clear? Or you can say ozone is there. So now let's take the case of your SO2 beta, sulfur here. सल्फर का जो एटॉमिक नंबर है बेटा दैट इज 16 एंड इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and then your 3p4. So sulfur is having your 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. So 6 dots around this sulfur beta, because sulfur is having your 6 electrons in its valence shell. And similarly beta, oxygen is also having your 6 electrons in its valence shell. 6 electrons in its valence shell beta. Similarly other sulfur is also having your. Now here each atom is completing its octet beta. ठीक है, this each oxygen here is completing its octet by sharing 2 electrons. So by sharing your 2 electrons here beta. Is that clear? So here 2 are the bond pair of the electrons and 1 is your lone pair of the electrons beta. ठीक है. So beta, we are having your how many electrons around this in the valence shell of your this sulfur beta? They are your 3. Is that clear? 2 bonding pair of the electrons are there or 1 lone pair of the electron is there. So its structure must be trigonal planar. क्या होना चाहिए इसका स्ट्रक्चर बेटा? ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर होना चाहिए, लेकिन ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस लोन पेयर बेटा, it is having your distorted structure and that is having your band shaped structure. Let's draw the structure beta. Let's say sulfur is here. This is sulfur beta. Trigonal planar होना चाहिए था बेटा, लेकिन it is having your band shaped structure. This double bond over here and 1 2 3 4, and similarly here it is there oxygen 1 2 3 4 beta, and then here we are having your 1 lone pair of the electron. Is that clear? So this type of structure is there, and here beta the bond angle here, that is your 119.5. bond angle here is your 119.5 डिग्रीज, जबकि बेटा ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर में जो है बॉन्ड एंगल कितना है वहां 120. इज दैट क्लियर? अगर हमारा रेगुलर स्ट्रक्चर होता इसका, इज दैट क्लियर, तो बॉन्ड एंगल कितना होता है यहाँ 120 डिग्री, बट इट इज लेस देन 120 डिग्री. इज दैट क्लियर? व्हाई दिस डिक्रीज इज देयर? क्योंकि बेटा अकॉर्डिंग टू बैस्पर थ्योरी लोन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर रिपल्शन जो है दैट इज ग्रेटर. हियर lone pair bond pair repulsion is greater than bond pair repulsion. Is that clear? So here now when this lone pair will repel this bond pair beta, so these bond pairs will come close to each other. That's why your bond angle is going to decrease slightly. So since let's take the next case, AB3E, means A is the central atom here and B are the bond pair of the electrons, and these are your 3 here, and here 1 is the lone pair of the electron beta. Okay beta, the total bonds are there here 4, then its structure must be tetrahedral, but beta it will have the distorted tetrahedral structure. So let's see how. So beta, let's take the example of your NH3. Here nitrogen, it is having your 5 electrons in its valence shell. 1 2 3 4 5. Then 3 hydrogens are there, so these 3 hydrogens are sharing one electron beta, like this. So here we are having how many electrons? Shared pair of the electron 1, 2 and then 3, and one is this lone pair of the electron. This is a lone pair of electrons beta, which is unshared. Is that clear? That is not participating in the bond formation here. So this is a lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electron. Is that clear? और बाकी बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं बेटा, दे आर योर बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नाउ अब नाउ टोटल पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं? 4 हैं, तो इट मस्ट बी हैविंग योर टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ. सपोज बेटा दिस इज N is here, central atom. So one H is here, other H is here beta, and other H is here. Is that clear? And this lone pair is present over here in this orbital beta. Is that clear? So that is lone pair is there. ठीक है बेटा. So that is going to form a pyramidal shape. Pyramidal beta, but due to the presence of this lone pair, it is having your distorted structure beta, and the shape is its shape is pyramidal. So again lone pair repulsion की वजह से ही आपका ये बेटा distorted structure बना है. और दूसरा बेटा इसका जो bond angle है that is a 107 degrees. It means lone pair is going to repel this bond pair to the greater extent as compared to that of your bond pair. That's why bond angle is going to decrease over here. Is that clear? क्योंकि आपका जो बेटा टेट्राहेड्रल था ज्योमेट्री यहाँ 109 डिग्रीज 28 मिनट्स था, जबकि यहाँ कितना रह गया आपका 107 डिग्रीज. इज दैट क्लियर? सो ये किसकी वजह से हुआ बेटा? लोन पेयर्स की वजह से. सो नेक्स्ट इज Ab2E2 मींस ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल बेटा जिसमें क्या है 2 बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन है और 2 लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन है. लेट्स टेक द केस ऑफ H2O. Here O is the central atom having your 6 electrons in its valence shell. Okay, and then this 1 electron is shared by this hydrogen beta, and other 1 electron is shared by your this hydrogen atom. So beta, here we have how many bond pair of the electrons? This is 1, this is 2 are the bond pair of the electrons, and these are your lone pair of the electron. So total electrons कितने हो गए बेटा इसके अराउंड? बॉन्ड पेयर और लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 4 हो गए. तो 4 हो गए तो टेट्राहेड्रल होना चाहिए, लेकिन इट इज हैविंग योर बैंड शेप स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ हियर दिस इज ऑक्सीजन ओवर हियर. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज 1 हाइड्रोजन हियर बेटा, एंड दिस इज अनदर हाइड्रोजन. Is that clear? And these are the lone pair of the electrons. These are the lone pair of the electrons. So they are tetrahedrally oriented वैसे बेटा. Is that clear? Tetrahedrally oriented तो है, लेकिन exact tetrahedral structure they are not having. They are having your band shaped structure. Is that clear? So band shaped structure is there बेटा. So बेटा, and the bond angle here is 104.5 डिग्रीज. सो बेटा बॉन्ड एंगल यहां और कम हो गया. इज दैट क्लियर? क्यों? क्योंकि आपके लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने बेटा? या लोन पेयर रिपल्शन आर ग्रेटर बेटा देन योर लोन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन रिपल्शन बेटा. सो ड्यू टू द मोर लोन पेयर रिपल्शन बेटा, दे आर रिपेलिंग ईच अदर एज वेल एज द बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो दीज बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर कमिंग क्लोज टू ईच अदर. इज दैट क्लियर? क्योंकि बॉन्ड पेयर के बीच में रिपल्शन सबसे कम होती है. सो होप स्टूडेंट्स दिस वाज क्लियर. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स बॉन्ड एंगल इज 104.5 डिग्री, मींस बॉन्ड एंगल इज गोइंग टू डिक्रीज. सो नेक्स्ट केस इज, नेक्स्ट मॉलिक्यूल इज बेटा Ab4E. Ab4E means beta 4 are the bond pair of the electrons and 1 is the lone pair of the electron. So beta, let's take the example of SF4 beta. So here sulfur is having 6 electrons in its valence shell. Sulfur is having 6 electrons in its valence shell beta, and fluorine is having 7 electrons in its valence shell. So fluorine is sharing one electron. Clear? Another fluorine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beta, and here another fluorine here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 beta, and another fluorine here, fourth fluorine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now here one electron is left unbonded beta. This is a unbonded pair of electron, that is a lone pair. That is a lone pair, and other four are your bond pair of the electrons. So beta, total pair of the electrons are here 1 2 3 4 4 bond pair plus 1 lone pair, 5. So it must have trigonal planar geometry beta, but it will have distorted structure beta due to the presence of your this lone pair of the electron. So let's draw its shape beta. Suppose this was sulfur here, which is central atom. Now trigonal planar means तीन एक plane पे है बेटा. Let's say here we have, this is one F here, this is another F beta, and here we have, let's say, one lone pair is here. And now students, these are directed towards the ends of a trigon beta. Now if you see here, this 1F is above the plane and other F is below the plane. Now let's say this is structure A. There is beta other possibility also. Let's draw that also. This is all, let's say, sulfur over here, and this is a 1F over here, this is a 1F here beta, and here this one is a other F. All the fluorine atoms, they are here in this plane beta, means equatorial plane में है बेटा ये सारे के सारे fluorine atoms. And here let's say this is a lone pair here, and this is suppose bond pair of the electron is there. Now beta, one of the scientists, he was Nahum Gillespie. He has modified this Basper theory. So that modification could explain the stability of this structure beta. Which one is the actual structure where the repulsive interaction should be minimum? Now here the repulsive interactions are more because this lone pair is under the influence of your 3 bond pair of the electrons, or whereas this lone pair is under the influence of your 2 bond pair of the electrons. So repulsive interaction जो हैं, they are more over here in this structure beta, in this shape. So बेटा जो SF4 का जो बेटा आपका स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा, that is of this A shape will be the, and that is your सीसा shape. जैसे झूला झूला होगा आपने सीसा, this is one person sitting, other person sitting, and means सीसा समझ गए आप बेटा. आई थिंक एक झूला है, क्लियर. सो दिस इज द बेस ऑफ दैट झूला, एंड ये क्या है आपका, ये झूले का बेस है और ये आपका 2 एंड्स हैं उसके. देख ले, दिस इज एट द सेंटर सपोज. तो इट इज हैविंग सी सा शेप बेटा. एंड वन थिंग मोर बेटा, जो बॉन्ड एंगल्स हैं यहाँ, बॉन्ड एंगल्स ट्रायगोनल प्लेनर में कितने थे बेटा आपके? दे वर योर 120. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग योर 117 degree beta. Bond angle here is 117 degrees beta. 117 degree. Is that clear? And this bond angle is also not your 90 degree, but that is of 89 degrees. 89 degrees. And that is due to the presence of your this lone pair of the electron. So students, one thing more I would like to tell you कि आपका ये जो lone pair है यहाँ इस A structure में बेटा, so that is on the equatorial position. This is having your equatorial position here, or this is having your axial position over here. This was having axial position here. Okay, since next molecule is Ab3E2. Means here A is the central atom and B are the peripheral atoms, or you can say bond pair of the electrons beta, and E2 that is 2 are the lone pair of the electrons. So बेटा अब एक एक्स्ट्रा एग्जांपल हम लेने जा रहे हैं जिसमें बॉन्ड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 3 हैं और लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स 2 हैं, और एग्जांपल है आपका ClF3. ClF3, this is some interhalogen compound. So students, let's say Cl that is having your 7 electrons in its valence shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then your 7. Clear? Now we have 3 fluorine atoms. So this is the electron of your 1 fluorine beta. Let's say 7 electrons again. So another fluorine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beta. Let's take another fluorine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So यहां बेटा हमारे पास ये एक बॉन्ड पेयर ये हो गया, एक बॉन्ड पेयर ये हो गया और एक बॉन्ड पेयर ये हो गया, एंड दीज आर योर लोन पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच आर योर अनबॉन्डेड पेयर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो टोटल कितने हो गए यहाँ हमारे पास, कितने हो गए बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 actually pairs of the electrons are there. 3 are bond pair and 2 are lone pair. So beta, if there are 5, then it must have trigonal bipyramidal shape beta. It is not so beta because these are the 2 lone pair, so that will again have the distorted shape. Now let's draw the shape beta. Here let's say this chlorine is at the center. Chlorine is here at the center. Now there are the 3 fluorine atoms. Is that clear? There are the 3 fluorine atoms. So let's say this is let's say 1 fluorine atom here. Is that clear? And here let's say this is 1 lone pair and this is other lone pair. Clear? So these are in a plane, let's say. ये क्या है? एक plane में है, like this. So beta, now 1F is above the plane. 1 fluorine is here, let's say. 1F is here and other F is here. So students, here this is having this type of structure. This type of shape is there and this shape is T-shaped beta. This is a T-shaped molecule. T-shaped molecule. It is a T-shaped molecule. Hope students this is clear. So it is a T-shaped molecule. So now let's take next case beta. Now next is Ab5E beta. And 5 means 5 are the bond pair of the electrons and 1 is your lone pair of the electron, and total are your 6 pair of electrons beta in the valence shell of your this A central atom. So example is BrF5. Example is BrF5 students. Now here Br 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is there clear? 7 electrons are there. Even fluorine is also having 7 electrons beta. So here 1, इसको क्रॉस से नहीं डॉट से ही हम रिप्रेजेंट करें बेटा. So here this 1 fluorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beta. Another beta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another fluorine here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another fluorine here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another fluorine is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 5 fluorine are there. So beta, here we have these are your 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Sorry, and then 5 bond pair of the electrons and 1 here is your lone pair. So total कितने हो गए बेटा? 6. तो it must have the octahedral shape beta, but it is having distorted shape beta. So let's draw the shape beta. So here bromine is at the center. ब्रोमीन कहाँ है बेटा? सेंटर में है. इज दैट क्लियर? एंड लेट्स से 4F are in a plane beta. Let's say this one is one fluorine here, another fluorine is here, another fluorine is here, another is here. So these are your 4 fluorine atom. Is that clear? So they are in a plane. They are directed towards the ends of a square beta. ठीक है? And one fluorine is above the plane beta here. So beta, these are the one fluorine atom is above the plane. Is that clear? And here is the lone pair of the electron. So lone pair of the electron is going to occupy here axial position beta. Lone pair is going to occupy the axial position here. So beta, this shape is square pyramid. Square pyramidal. It is having your square pyramidal geometry beta. So this is all about your this BRF5 beta. Then next case is AB4E2. Means A is the central atom here and B atoms are the peripheral atoms beta and 2 are the lone pair of the electrons beta. So means 4 bond pair of the electrons are there and 2 lone pair of the electrons are there. And example of this is xenon tetrafluoride beta. Example is xenon tetrafluoride. Here you know xenon, that is a noble gas beta and have 8 electrons in its valence shell. These are the 8 electrons in its valence shell. So these fluorine atoms, let's say they are sharing one electron here of this xenon. Let's say this one is there, another one beta, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and another one here and here the 4th fluorine beta. So now here just see, this is a bond pair, bond pair, bond pair, bond pair, and these other 2 they are your lone pair of the electrons beta. So here total lone pair and bond pair of the electrons are your 6 in number. So if they are 6 beta, so they must have the octahedral geometry. But due to the presence of these lone pair beta, this is not having octahedral geometry, but it is having square planar geometry or shape beta. So let's draw it. So xenon here, that is at the center. So here all the fluorine atoms here are occupying the equatorial position beta, or means they are all in a plane. Is that clear? And the lone pair of the electrons, that is above the plane and other is below the plane beta. So now here the geometry is, geometry क्या है बेटा आपकी यहाँ? that is your square planar. It is having your square planar geometry. Hope students this is clear. So this was all about the geometries of the molecules in which the central atom has one or more lone pair, and earlier we have discussed the geometries of the molecules in which the central atom was having only the bond pair of the electrons. So beta, these all geometries we have discussed on the basis of Dasper theory beta. Hope this is clear. Thank you.